How to download and install Arena Breakout Infinite on your PC. So let's start this video without any further delay. Firstly, you will need Steam application, or you can refer to the Steam website also for this, but we will download this application or game through our Steam official application. So let me click it and open it on my browser. Second thing, you have to make sure you have a fast Wi-Fi network connection so that you can download it without any interruption. Now, this is my Steam homepage and the store layout is here. What I will do is click on the right top of the screen, that is the search bar. Let me click that. And here you have to simply select or search for Arena Breakout in front of you. There you will find the game. Let me just click that. Click the game, and then here you can see that the game is for free. They don't need any charge or subscription amount for installing this game, so you can install it absolutely free. Now we will scroll down, read all thing about the game, and then this is coming soon right now. You simply have to click on the download option, and then it will be start downloading to your PC, and you can pay whatever charge they say you can pay that, or if that is free you can also download it for without paying any charges. This is how you can basically install it. Thank you so much for watching this video.